Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3085th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, I wasn't planning on doing a video tonight. The video I put out the other day was supposed to be good through Wednesday into Thursday morning. However, with the crazy action happening out there, I had no choice. I thought, let's at least speak a little bit. This video coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Wednesday through Thursday. It is video 3085. It is for trading on 6/11/2026. Trading is risky, 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 risky. Never trade without protective stops in any market where they're allowed. Let's see what's going on. The Omni is dead red. You're looking at the chart masterpiece you've seen in every video, weekly Nasdaq bar chart. We left off up here. Let me zoom in a little bit. We left off up here. And what we stated about this is it keeps holding support, holding support, holding support. Now, let me back this up a little. Why? Oh, let me back this up a little. And what I was showing is that if you take a look at this, this is a trend line that goes all the way back to 2022. I can't even show it to you on this in one screen. And it hits again here, market stays under it. A long time later, hits again here, market stays under it, and then finally gets above. All right, now let's blow this up again. Now that it's above it, it comes down and hits it. Boom, one, boom, two, bounces. Boom, three bounces. Then now we're in this week, and this week is not over. Remember, this is a weekly bar. Huge IPO coming out finally on Friday, right? With SpaceX. Easily, this weekly bar could end up looking like this with a settlement up here, and it actually held. So we don't know yet, right? This is a weekly bar. We won't know till Friday looking at the weekly. Now we're going to move back to something else called day trading. For day traders, we've got this. Ugh, look at how bad this looks. Boy, Omni's dead red. Nasdaq looks like it certainly wants to come down at least to the bottom of this or way further. But it certainly wants to come down. We talk about nothing we trade goes straight up, huh? It's gotten ugly, ugly, ugly ever since it got past this green, under the green average, below this big blue channel. And then, bam, now it's forming this red channel down and certainly looks ugly for trading on Thursday. So I wanted to show you that because the longer term of it, literally till Friday at least, we don't know for sure. That weekly bar could have easily spin. You know how these markets are, right? Just because it went down doesn't mean it's going to stay there by Friday. It could easily turn around. Maybe the IPO will be stronger than we think and just take this thing up and we settle back above. Possible. We don't know. Friday afternoon. Tuesday night, Wednesday night for Wednesday through Thursday. This is our picture, and yuck, doesn't look good here. Remember, the overall picture is on the weekly chart. We haven't dropped that far yet. It's just market movement. But daily trading, that looks pretty ugly to me. Now, traders, I know you know that we had a disaster at some point, but I have to implore you, if you are not in the Omni Phoenix token, we have Omniacs all around the world. They know what happened. They have sympathy for us as a crowd and themselves for what happened to them. They know me for decades. They can trust my integrity and my honesty, and they are more than willing to do what you see here. They're all getting into the Omni Phoenix from all over the world, and I want you to do the same. If somehow you were part of that disaster like all of us, there's only one way I can help you back. That's if you get in this coin and we organically grow this higher as a crowd again together. It is moving up since the coin started, with all things pulled back a little. It's been moving up very nicely. We have more and more traders getting in. I will mention this to anyone who is in this coin already. Traders, if you're in the coin Omniacs, we're in this for the long haul for a reason. Organically, as a crowd, we protect each other, and it's going to continue to move higher till it finally reaches a specific level where we can rotate and take turns taking profits. We will all do that as the same group that got ourselves in, orderly, respectfully, and so that it doesn't impede upon the integrity of the price of the coin for the ones who get in under us when we are going to one day take profits. Here's what I will ask you to do. If you're one of our long-term holders, if you see a red bar, just come in and buy it back. I will do the same. Everybody around the world does the same. If anyone wants out, all right, so we'll let them out. But we're going to slowly, organically take this much, much higher. I have just signed on for a really cool AMA and Ask Me Anything for a huge crowd, all to to bolster the coin, the Omni universe itself, get more traders to join in. So I implore you, if you are in the coin, sit tight for the ride. We may be lucky enough to 10x this over time organically. Stay with us. If you see sellers come in, if you're one of us Omniacs, come in and buy them from them, all right? You want out? We'll let you out, and we'll slowly protect each other, and we'll help each other do very well. I implore you, if somehow you got hurt, so did we. My kids got hurt, my family, all of us did. But this is our only way to maybe help each other to get back. So please join us. Please be respectful. If you do see sellers come in and buy them from them. I will help you as well, and we will all help each other to heal from this. I thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for forgiving us for what happened. You know I got hurt more than anyone else could ever dream. I never sold one coin. I never made a thin dime. I only held it up for us Omniacs, and I am doing the same thing again. Ask anybody watching. I will do the same thing again, hiring influencers, doing everything I did. Just need your help. Come on in with me and be an Omniac. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for everything that you guys have done with this coin. We love you. We thank you. Omniacs protect one another, and I will be there to protect you. Remember this, as I showed you, this is what we're looking at up close. But please don't forget, keep this in the back of your mind, no matter how much it jigger-jags and wiggles around. Until Friday, this chart might actually prove to be something that we should have kept our eyes on. If not, we'll figure out some projections for the downside. We'll deal with that on Friday. Traders, thank you so much for viewing. Thank you for everything you do. Please leave your comments below. Go, Knicks, go. I can't wait to go see the game. And I will speak to all of you at livewithoscar.com. Listen, if you want to get together tomorrow, or Friday, I should say, and watch the IPO together, go to livewithoscar.com. No credit cards are required. Just sign up, create a username. You'll get an email. It may go to your spam. Check your spam. Send the email back, and you've got a username just like that. Join us in our chat room, in our trading room, and we can all watch this together. I hope you join in. And now all I can say is, stop soaring. Emotions are rock and roll. Traders, thank you for everything you do. Please leave your comments below. Jump in the Omni Phoenix, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.